Hello, this is HG from HG Learning Center. Today we're going to talk about transition words. What are transition words? They are words that help you to transition or change from one idea to another. Words like firstly, secondly, and thirdly. So why use firstly, secondly, and thirdly? Well, because it helps you to organize things. So when do you use firstly, secondly, and thirdly? When you give instructions. Like firstly, boil water. Secondly, add the tea bag. Thirdly, or finally, we get a nice cup of tea. So another example when to use the transition words is when you give reasons. Like, this is great quality tea. Firstly, the tea comes from Sri Lanka. Secondly, the tea leaves are whole, not crushed. Thirdly, the leaves are hand-picked and certified organic. So how do you use the transition words? You put the word at the beginning. Think of something you want to explain. This is how you make tea. Then think of 3 ideas. Boil water, add tea bag, pour a cup of tea. Add a transition word in front of each idea. Firstly, boil water. Secondly, add tea bag. Thirdly, or finally, pour a cup of tea. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. And remember, please subscribe for more episodes like this.